Okay, why'd we stop?
I'm gonna teach you something. Okay?
I want to learn
We're
something.
in the deer woods. We're gonna try and learn something today. Every time we go out, we learned a lot today.
We did.
That's a heck of a hill we had to climb to get to your stand.
Anyway,
So which oak tree do deer prefer? There's a lot of talk about that.
am I allowed to answer or are you answering?
Go ahead.
Live oaks because they make acorns.
Okay, so of course live oaks, they make eggs?
Acorns.
Oh, they make acorns. So yes, live oaks are good, oak tree for a deer. But let's talk about if you only have white oak and red oak.
Okay. Red oak.
You think red oak?
Yep.
Okay.
You know what my reasoning is?
Send it.
Because you can tap a red oak for maple syrup. Oh no, that's a maple tree.
That's a maple
Just kidding.
We can try it.
Okay, I'm out. Go
We
ahead.
might not get anything for the pancakes, but okay. So, two kind of oaks that I think deer like in the deer woods. This is a red oak. How do you know it's a red oak? Well, if you look at the
Educate
leaves,
us.
if you look at the tree.
Oh, come
let me
on,
take
come
this
on,
out.
little guy. You can reach it.
If you look at this tree, at the end of the leaves, it has little spikes. See those little spikes?
I see him.
That's in the red oak family. Now there's a lot of different species of red oaks, but this is in the red oak family. I don't know exactly which one it is. Let's
Right.
go call it red oak
Yeah.
because it has these spikes.
Okay.
The acorns
Bruh.
on a red oak
Yep.
have a lot of what's called tannic acid. I think it's tannic acid. Yeah, it's tannic acid. That acid stays in that nut for about a year. So when you eat it, it's really acidic. So
Right.
if I grab it right now, it'd be we call it bitter. So
Yeah.
it's bitter. And that's why the deer don't like to go to those. It'll take about a year for that acorn to germinate because all the
Does it stay?
acid.
So does it stay on the limb for that year, or does it fall?
Oh, no,
to
it
the
falls down. They're falling now. It's that time of year. So anyway, they're falling. So anyway, the white oak, these are rounded. So imagine that those points are gone and it's rounded lobes.
You rounded those so good.
Yeah, I know, I did a good job. If the leaves are rounded,
Yep.
no points.
No points.
That's a white oak.
White oak.
That's just the easy way to tell it.
Are their nuts better?
Their nuts are better, so they have very low tannic acid in them. So
Okay.
because of that, I'm probably screwing up the word tannic, but
That's okay.
what
I'll
I know
look
it
it up.
as.
If it's wrong, I'll put it right here.
Okay.
Right here.
So whatever that acid is, it's not as bad. It's not as bitter when you eat it. And those nuts will germinate in about a month. If you're a planter, you could get them to grow in about a month or so.
Yeah.
Because they don't have as much acid in them and they germinate quicker. So anyway, deer like the ones with less bitterness. They're sweeter.
So they like
enjoy
white
them.
oaks.
So white oak is the preferred tree.
So we need to cut this sucker down.
So the next time you're at one of my stands, you'll see I have the deer feeder right there.
Yep,
And
there's a
20
white
yards
oak.
to my left, there are 2 white oaks.
Oh.
Yeah.
We should check that out one
So
day.
now you know.
There you
the
go.
difference between a white
Now
oak
you
and a
know.
red oak.
Arborist Rods and Reels setting us up for success.